Here we will see array functions in PHP. First is compact. This function creates an array from variables and their values. Any string that does not match variable names will be skipped. General syntax is compact, variable 1, variable 2 and so on, where variable 1 can be a string with the variable name or an array of variables. Variable 2 can be a string with the variable name or an array of variables. Multiple parameters are allowed here. In this example, I use 3 variables, number, name and marks, and I use compact method with number, name and marks and assign it to result. The output will be, it will create an array of number, name and marks as the keys and 10, A and 89 as a values for that keys. Next is array splice, which removes selected elements from an array and replaces it with new elements. This function also returns an array with the removed element. General syntax is array splice, array, start, length and array, where array is the name of the array, start is a numeric value which specifies where the function will start removing elements, length will be the numeric value which specifies how many elements will be removed, and array specifies an array with the elements that will be inserted into the original array. Here I define two arrays A1 and A2. A1 contains 1, 2, 3 and 4 as the values and A, B, C and D as the keys. And A2 contains A, B as the keys and 5 and 6 as the values. When I use array splice method with A1, 0, 2 and A2, first two elements of A1 are replaced with 5 and 6 and last two remains 3 and 4 from the original array. Next is array replace. This function replaces the value of the first array with the values from following arrays. General syntax is array replace, array 1, array 2 and array 3, where array 1 specifies the name of the array, array 2 specifies an array which will replace the values of array 1, array 3 specifies more arrays to replace the values of array 1 and array 2. Here A1 and A2 array are defined. A1 contains 1 and 2 and A2 contains 3 and 4. When I use array replace method with A1 and A2, it will replace the value of A1 with A2. So the output will be 3 and 4. Next is array sum, which returns the sum of all values in the array. General syntax is array sum and name of the array. Here two arrays are defined, A and B. Array A contains the values 2, 4, 6 and 8, and when I use sum of A, the output will be 20, which adds 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. In B I stored 1.2, 2.3 and 3.4, and when I use array sum method with B, it will return the value 6.9. Next is array unique, which removes duplicate values from an array. If two or more array values are the same, the first appearance will be kept and other will be removed. General syntax is array unique, array and sort type, where array specifies the name of the array and sort type specifies how to compare the array elements or items. Here in this example, I defined an array A with values 1, 2 and 1, and when I use array unique for that array, it will print 1 and 2. Since 1 is defined twice in the array, first appearance will be kept. Next is array values, which returns an array containing all the values of an array. The returned array will have numeric keys starting with 0 and increased by 1. Here array A is defined with values 1, 2 and 3. When we execute this array values command, it will change the keys to numeric values, that is 0, 1, 2. and the values are assigned it 1, 2, 3.